How to fix Chatgpt Signup not working. Hey guys, let's get started. So if you're experiencing issues with signing up for Chatgpt, here are a few steps that you can take to try and resolve the issue. The first step is to clear your browser's cache. Clearing your browser's cache can help eliminate any stored data or cookies that may be causing conflict with the sign-up process. So go to your browser settings and look for an option to clear browsing data or cache. And sometimes certain browsers may have compatibility issue with specific website or sign-up processes, so attempt signing up using a different web browser to see if that resolves the issue. And also ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Unstable or slow connections can lead to issues with loading websites and completing sign-up processes, so try connecting a different network or restarting your router. And if none of these steps resolve the issue, reach out to the support team responsible for Chatgpt or the website where you are trying to sign up. They will be able to provide specific assistance or troubleshoot any potential issues on their end. Remember that these steps are general troubleshooting suggestions. If the problem persists, it's best to seek assistance from the support channels related to the service or website you're attempting to sign up for. So that's it for today's video. I really hope this video was some help, and if it was, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.